Follow the precise instructions to efficiently configure and maximize the features of the application. Click the Get Started Today button. Click the Register button. Click the Enter Email field. Fill in your email address. Click the Register button. Now, you can check your registered email to set up password. Click Set Your Password. Enter new password. Confirm the password. Click on Reset Password. Now, click on the Go to Login Page button. You will be redirected to Get Started page. Click the Get Started Today button. Click the Login button. Click the Enter Email field. Enter your registered email address in the provided field. Click the Password field. Fill in the text box with password. Click the Login button. You are now on the Gomeet AI dashboard. Click the Setup button to edit your company profile. Click on the designated area. Enter your company name. Select your company from the designated area. Click on the designated area. Enter your website URL. You can type in your company proposal, or let AI generate your proposal. Click the Continue button. Here, you can choose your AI avatar from the given options, or customize your AI avatar. Select your desired name from the given list or customize your own name. Click the Continue button. We are now on the data training and integration to set up our ideal customer profile. Fill in the required details like profile. Select your ideal profile from the drop-down menu. Example owner and president. Continue to fill in your ideal location from the drop-down. For example, United States and United Kingdom. You can now select your desired industry here. For example, food production. Now select the company size that fits best to your interest. For example, 11 to 20. In case you already have a database, you can upload that CSV file here, or you can stick to the database Gomeet AI provides. Upload a CSV of prospects you want to exclude so your AI assistant won't contact clients you've already dealt with. Proceed to the next step. Now, connect with Calendly and set up your meeting slot. Select your event slot. Here is the review of the sample AI email and landing page that your AI assistant has crafted. We will view it shortly. Proceed to the next step. To deploy your AI SDR, you can choose a plan that fits your requirements. Enter your necessary payment details as shown. Click on Subscribe button. Now that your payment has been successful, you can deploy your AI SDR. Confirm deployment of agents. Navigate to the dashboard. Once you have deployed your AI SDR, you will be redirected to the dashboard where you can track your process.